Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I just love a jumpsuit. So for me, it's everything I want in an outfit. Effortless style and super comfortable. This is from Pretty Garden. This is a woman's jumpsuit. It's got short sleeves, but it has that V-neck with a little snap if you want to make sure that you've got everything snapped up and modest. It comes with a belt, pockets, and wide leg pants. So the fabric is extremely comfortable, soft, and has a beautiful drape to it. It just hangs so flattering. Now I'm wearing it in the extra large size, and I would say it fits me true to size. It's comfortable. There's a little elastic waist that makes it very comfortable as well, and you can kind of hide that underneath the belt. The belt is free, which means you can belt it wherever you want to or take it off if you want it. It has 2 belt loops on it. I mean, it comes with pockets. That's a win-win for me. The top is loose for me in this size, but I think that loose is flattering on my body type. I'm about 5'5", and the pants work well. My inseam is actually 29 inches. So I'm able to wear flats with this pantsuit or jumpsuit comfortably. This has been such a beautiful addition to my wardrobe. Comfortable, effortless. You've got your top and bottom attached, so less for you to think about. But you can totally layer this with a jacket and make it work for cooler weather as well. So this has been a huge bonus for me. I am always reaching for it for work or play. And it also travels well because it's lightweight, but it's everything in one outfit. So definitely it takes up less space in my suitcase. So I'm really in love with this outfit. I'm very happy with the green color, and the fabric is so soft and so comfortable. And that is my point of view.